Okay lah, let me continue on how to put in the interface, right? Let's say this one I designed this to put in a loaf of bread, for example, right? A loaf of bread. Now this is the transparent thing that we have drawn just now. Let's see, right? Drawn just now, and I just told you that you can add the thickness right at the side, right? Add the thickness at the side. After you add the thickness, you can actually group the thickness together so that these two, um, the cover together with the thickness is actually one piece, right? To do that, you select both, right? Select both. How to select both? Click, drag so that the rectangle cover the both the line and the shape. After that, you go here, object, right? Object, and then go and look for something called group, right? Object, group, right? Cannot see, I'll show you here, right? You go and look for object, right? Then you do a group, okay? Object group, right? After you have done your object, after you have group already, when you shift, right, it will follow. So this cover is supposed to be here, all right? Supposed to be here. All right, I'm going to remove this cover first. I'm going to, okay, I want to put the loaf of bread somewhere down here, right? I want to put a loaf of bread somewhere down here. Now so what I need to do is, I don't want the background. It's quite simple to remove the background. All right, I'm going to blow this up, right? Going to make this bigger. So what I'm going to do is I do a shift plus, right? Shift plus to make it bigger, right? To make it bigger, right? To make it bigger, you do right, hold down the shift key and then you press the plus, right? It become bigger and bigger, right? See, shift plus, right? And to reverse it, you shift minus. Okay, so same thing, I'm going to cut out only one the bread, so I'm going to do this. Take a look at this, bezier curve again, right? I do not want anything else, right? So I'm going to just click around the bread. I'll do the simple one. I just click around the bread. Now you can use the curve, and you can click on smaller one. I just give you the idea how to do it. You can make yours a little bit more accurate, right? So once to end it, I do a double click. All right, so end already. Now okay, there is a small little curve now. Yeah, make it. I just perhaps, right. Then once I'm done, right, I'm going to select both. I'm going to select, now this is what I've just drawn, being selected. Then I press on shift and I select the photo. Click anywhere on the photo. So now you see my photo is being selected. Whatever I've drawn is also being selected. So what I will go is, I will go to object, right? Object, look for this, clip, right? And then set, right? You will remove the background. Now so what I've just done is actually object, then you go to object, clip, and then the next one you select my keyboard is not okay, set. All right, so that's the operation that I do, right, to achieve this. Now I want, now this part of the bread, shouldn't be visible, right? Should not be visible. Why is it not visible? It is not supposed to be visible because it should be hidden by this piece of opaque one. So I only want this part of the bread. I only want this part of the bread. So in order for me to do that, all right, I'm going to do, right, click on this, right, click here, right. I'm going to just go around the area that I want. Now this is the area that I want, only until here. only until here. Then I'm going to draw a curve down there, right? Right, something like that. Then I know that I need a curve roughly like that. I don't know whether it's accurate or not lah. Later then we see. It doesn't really listen to me, so I'm going to remember just now I say if it doesn't listen to you, there is a button down here. It always snap to grid, right? So what you do is, right, you click on this button, right? This button down here, click on it. Then now it will listen to you, right? It will listen to you, roughly that, right? You can do a more accurate job, right? So after that, I will still do select. Like click on the select. Now this is the select, right, icon for you to select. Right. Now after you select, after you have selected what you have drawn, press on shift and then select the picture, select the bread as well. Then again, once again, you do an object clip and set. All right, object clip and set that, right? So it becomes this. Then now I'm going to make it smaller. Now I'm going to move the cover inside, right? Move the cover inside. Now the bread appears on top of the cover, but doesn't matter, appear on top of the cover. Right, I'm going to fix the cover a little bit. Right, appears on top of the cover. So what I will do is, now you see all these buttons down here, right? This means move all the way to the bottom. This means move it up, no, move it down one level, move it up one level, move it all the way to the top, move it all the way. So you see, this will put the bread inside, right? Put the bread inside. Now you can actually do a patch up of this curve, right, to make it a little bit better, right? Also the patch up of this place. Now this line was drawn as a guide, right? Was drawn as a guide, so you actually do not need this anymore. I will just take away. Okay, so I have got this. Now once you have done this, as I why do I encourage you to use Inkscape? Now once you have done this, right, I can do this, right? Once I've done this, I can do a duplicate. Let's do a group first before I do a duplicate. Okay, how to do a group? Object, group this thing first. When I do a duplicate, how to do a duplicate? The duplicate is Control D down here, right? So I will select this. I do a Control D. After I done a Control D, I can pull, right? I have another one, right? Pull it over, right? Pull it out. So now I want to open. I want to open up this instead of like that. I want to open out. I will do ungroup first. After I do ungroup, I will take away the cover, right? Take away the cover. I don't need the cover anymore. Now I will flip it up, right? Flip it up. Now you have to draw the hinge on. Down here you need to draw the hinge, right? Draw a hinge here. But I'm not going to draw the hinge. Is simple lah. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to open it. Now to open it from this point, because when I flip up, it should goes up, right? So I'm going to go up this side, come this way, come down. Okay, so this becomes my cover, right? My cover is like that. So when I flip it up, it will be there, right? Let me do this as well. It's transparent, so I'm going to lower the opacity, right? I'm going to lower the opacity, right? So that you can see through. Okay, after I lower already, now this is curved, right? The cover is curved. Now to make this curve, I'm going to use this, right? I'm going to use this. I pull this. I'm going to pull this as well. So I have a curved cover down here. That's it, right? Now I'm going to add thickness for this and add thickness for this. Down here no need. This one no need because the thickness cannot see. Now down here you need to add the thickness. Down here you need to add right? This line and this, you will add the thickness. Now I'm going to show you how I'm adding the thickness here. Same thing, Bezier curve, right? Click here, come down here, double click here. All right, then go and select something that is darker. Go to stroke style, right? Make it a little bit thicker, right? This is thicker. Okay, now I will adjust. Now I'm going to click on this, select this, and I can now adjust it. Okay, then I also need another one down here. Click on this, this is simple. Now there, okay. Then I'm able to open this. Compared to if you draw it, you use hand drawn, then it is more difficult, right? You have to draw one and then you have to draw another one, right? So compared to that, this will save you some time. Okay, any questions, just let me know.